Cloudinary's Upload API allows you to quickly upload your images, videos, and other media files into your Cloudinary account for immediate deliverability. Let's show you how to use this API in your development environment. Our example will be using node.js and server-side scripts to demonstrate the upload capabilities. However, we support many popular programming languages, including Ruby, PHP, Python, Java, .NET, and more. The first example is a simple upload of an image, which is locally stored on the computer's hard drive. The file is named breakfast.jpg. So let's start writing a script that uses Cloudinary's Upload API to get the image into our account. First, we are requiring two different libraries. One is our Cloudinary node.js SDK. The other is .env, which allows our development environment to use our Cloudinary account credentials and upload the assets in an authenticated way. We'll retrieve our environment variable from our Cloudinary account dashboard and paste it into a .env file in our development project. Using .env or other similar libraries to pass environment variables are considered to be best practices, as you never want to expose these in your site's front end and public code. Always treat Cloudinary account credentials, especially those that contain an API secret, like passwords. Now, we just need to call our Upload API and then reference the file we want to upload. And after that, we'll add our callback functions. In this case, we are using promises to handle the successes and failures in our code. After that, we'll make sure all of our scripts libraries are properly installed with a simple npm i command. Opening our package.json file, you can see all of the packages we just installed with the npm i command have been listed as dependencies. And lastly, we'll run our script. We've gotten a successful JSON response with lots of data about the uploaded file, including its resolution, file size, format, and more. And of course, an immediately deliverable asset from a secure HTTPS URL. This technique also works for uploading files from any public URL. Simply enter the full URL of the asset instead of the local file path. And voila! That works too. And we can always add some parameters to the upload call so the file gets into our account the way we want it. This includes editing the file's public ID so the asset is named exactly what we want it to be, adding tags to the asset so we can easily find and deliver it later, or even applying quality analysis features so we can provide some automation that is based on the blurriness or overall size of the asset. Of course, this only scratches the surface of Cloudinary's upload capabilities. We recommend checking out our full documentation on all of the various parameters you can add to upload calls. We also highly recommend enrolling in one of our free introductory courses on using our APIs, which are all available in the Cloudinary Academy. And our support team loves talking to people like you. Simply send your questions or feature requests to us via our support request form. Thanks for watching.